Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying Windows Update error. There are a couple of different steps, so try not to skip them. The first step is to pause and resume the update. So how do you do that? Go into search, look for settings, and from here scroll down until you see Windows Update, and from here you can click pause on the updates and then click resume updates and then try reinstalling the update once again. If it doesn't work, move on to the next step. The next step is to start the app readiness service. So you can type in services in Windows, and from here you're going to see something called app readiness. You want to double click on this. You want to click the startup type and you want to set it to automatic, and then you want to start it if it isn't started. And then you want to click apply and click OK, and then try the update once again. The next step is to run the troubleshooter for the Windows Update. So how do you do that? Go to settings once again. On the left hand side you're going to see something called system, so click on that and then scroll down until you see troubleshoot. Click on that and then you'll see something called other troubleshooters. Click on that. And then from here you're going to see something called Windows Update. You want to click run here and follow the on-screen instructions to update. Okay, the next thing you want to do is go back to services once again. Click on that. You want to scroll down until you see something called Windows Update. Where is it? Right here, Windows Update. Double click on it, set the startup type to automatic, and then start it if it isn't running already. Hit apply and hit OK. And then you want to do the same thing for background intelligence transfer service. So let's scroll up and see if we can find it. Here it is, background intelligence transfer service. Again, startup type automatic. You want to hit start if it isn't running, apply and OK, and then see if the update starts. And the last thing you want to do, if nothing else is working, is open Chrome or whatever is your favorite Windows browser. So you want to go to Windows 11 Installation Assistant, and then from here click here. And then you'll see the Windows 11 Installation Assistant, and you want to download it and then follow the on-screen instructions. It's going to say install or update option, then click update and then follow the on-screen instructions and restart your PC once it is complete. And that is it. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Have a nice night.